Oh, Millie. Oh, Millie. Oh, you just dropped a piece of food. Huh. This one right down there. Just drop that piece of food right down there. Just like you drop them always. Millie, I see you. Oh, Millie. I see you, Millie. Camera's close on. That fly. Are you eating that fly now, Millie? Oh, Millie. Oh, Millie. I see your little baby eye. Oh, Millie. I see your baby eye. Oh, Millie. Aren't you just chowing down that fly? Oh, Millie. Millie, I see you. Oh, Millie. Oh, oh, Millie. Oh, yeah. You're just hungry, aren't you, Millie? You're just hungry. Aren't you just hungry? Millie? Okay. Okay. Oh, Millie, I know. Just so you know it. Millie. Aren't you see the cutie man dish? You're not a big one, are you? You're not a big one. Yes. That one's a big one. Right in here. I'll just see it. Just see your little eyes and face. See how cute they are? See? Little eyes and face. So I just came away. You might want to catch some of this as well. Eating that fly's butt, huh? Look how much you're eating. Man, just look at how much you're eating. Oh, yeah. Hi, baby, you're just eating that fly, aren't you? Oh, Contessa, are you gonna catch that fly? Contessa, I'm gonna catch that grasshopper. Contessa, are you gonna catch so look at the size of Contessa. I mean, that's Millie, and that's Contessa. So the size of Millie, or the Contessa. And mine, oh, Contessa, are you gonna catch? That's not how it's touching. Listen, you're aggressive, man. Well, you're an aggressive mantis, aren't you, Millie? But you're more cuter. Oh, yes, Millie. You're cutie, no, man. I'm cute. You're the cutie, man. Oh, yeah. Goodbye.